What a terrible noise. I don't see how you do it.
It's done largely with the palate, you see.
Oh.
Of course, the hands play an important part in the resonance and carrying power.
But why do you put your thumbs together like that?
Well, you see, the thumbs, it is very necessary that the base of the thumbs are close together like that. You see, that brings out a sort of a pear-shaped tone, you see?
Mm-hmm.
Now, having done this, you take a deep breath, keep the throat well open, and out comes...